Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 28 August and I will cover all the current affairs with details of the day. Don't skip the video and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. First question, which state government has collaborated with M3M Foundation for students to get government jobs? A option Punjab, B option Haryana, C option Maharashtra, D option Rajasthan. And the right answer is B option Haryana. Haryana government has collaborated with M3M Foundation to facilitate students' online preparation, training and mentoring for entrance examination of government jobs. Through this Memorandum of Understanding, a program will be implemented to select 50,000 candidates for online training based on their past performance in a government examination in the state. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh and the governor of Haryana is Satyadev Narayana Arya and the chief minister is Manohar Lal Khattar. Next question, which state topped the position in exporting preparedness? A option Rajasthan, B option Tamil Nadu, C option Maharashtra, D option Gujarat. Gujarat is the state which topped the position is exporting preparedness. Niti Aayog, in partnership with Institute of Competitiveness, released the Export Preparedness Index (EPI 2020). This is the first report to examine the export preparedness and performance of the states of India. Gujarat is the state which topped the position in exporting preparedness. And then we will have to know uh, the position of the second and third. Maharashtra is the second position and Tamil Nadu is the third position in the exporting preparedness. About Niti Aayog, CEO Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant and the headquarters of Niti Aayog is in New Delhi. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and the governor is Acharya Dev Vrat. The chief minister is Vijay Rupani. Next question, which chief minister has addressed virtual Indo-Japan Business Forum? A option Maharashtra, B option Karnataka, C option Gujarat, D option Haryana. And the right answer is B option Haryana. The chief minister has virtually Indo-Japan Business Forum which is organized by the Indian Chamber of Commerce, which is ICC. The chief minister also signed a Japan-India Startup Initiative to promote startup in the state. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore and the governor of Karnataka is Vajubhai Bhalla and the chief minister is B.C. Yediyurappa. Next question, which bank has introduced Liberty Savings Account for Indian youth? A option Axis Bank, B option ICICI Bank, C option HDFC Bank, D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Axis Bank. Axis Bank addresses the ever-changing lifestyle needs of young and digitally interested Indians. It was founded in 1993 and the headquarters of the bank is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The chairman of the bank is Sri Rakesh Majija and the managing director and CEO is Amitabh Chaudhary. Next question, Paulomi Khatak has retired. Which sports does he play? A option cricket, B option hockey, C option table tennis, B option basketball. And the right answer is C option table tennis. She had retired at the age of 37 and he belongs to Kolkata. She is a seven-time national champion and she won the junior national championships twice and senior national championships 7 times held in between 1998 and 2016. Next question, on which course Cricket Corona has been released? A option Vasudev Jagannath Paramji, B option Kapil Dev, C option Rahul Dravid, D option Lanchan Rajput. And the right answer is A option Vasudev Jagannath Paramji. Vasudev Jagannath Paramji is the cricket coach and the son of Vasudev, and the cricket Drona has been written by the son of the Vasudev Paramji, who is Jatin Paramji, along with cricket journalist Vasu Anant Vasu, and is published by Penguin. Next question, which of the following state or union territory has set up an e-auction portal to enhance trading of GI tagged saffron? A option Jammu and Kashmir, B option Sikkim, C option Himachal Pradesh, D option Gujarat. And the right answer is A option Jammu Kashmir. GI tag GI tag means geographically indication, and the capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar, which held between May to October, and Jammu from the November and April. The lieutenant governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manu Sinha, and the High Court is Jammu and Kashmir. The Chief Justice is Geeta Mittal. Next question, who is appointed as Managing Director and CEO of State Bank of India Mutual Fund? A option Vinay Tonse, B option Ashwini Kumar Tiwari, C option Ashwini Bhatia, D option Lingam Venkate Prabhakar. And the right answer is A option Vinay Tonse. If we relate to other option, then B option is Ashwini Kumar Tiwari, who is recently appointed Managing Director and CEO of SBI Cards, Payment Cards. Then C option Ashwini Bhatia is the which is replaced by Vinod Tonse. D option Lingam Venkate Prabhakar, who is the MD and CEO of Canada Bank. Next question, who authored the book titled Delhi Riots 2020, The Untold Story? A option Monica Arora, B option Sonali Chitarkar, C option Prenna Manohota. And the right answer is all of the above. Who will be honored with the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award in the Land Adventure category in this year? A option Shivangi Pathak, B option Premlata Agrawal, C option Anita Kundu, D option Arunima Sinha. And the right answer is C option Anita Kunda. Mountaineer Anita Kundo has been chosen for the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award in the Land Adventure category. She will be honored with the award on August 29, 2020. She is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest from both of the India and the Chinese sides. These are some of the current affairs which I have listed for your important exam, and I hope it will be helpful for your exam. If you like my current affairs, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.